If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. You can use the time and billing features of Sage 50 Accounting to enter time tickets and expense tickets that track the amounts of time and money spent on a customer. You can use time tickets to pay employees who are paid based on time ticket hours. To set an employee to be paid using time tickets in Sage 50 Accounting, select Maintain Employees/Sales Reps from the menu bar to open the Maintain Employees and Sales Reps window. Select the name of the employee from the Employee ID dropdown or enter the employee's data if creating a new employee. To set the employee to be paid by time tickets, click the Pay Info tab. Then select Hourly Time Ticket Hours from the Pay Method dropdown. To enter an hourly rate used to bill customers for this employee, enter it into the Rate Used to Bill Customer field. Then complete the rest of the employee's record if needed. To save the employee's record when finished, click the Save button in the Windows toolbar. Note that any job-related tickets update the job costs only after being applied to a paycheck or a sales invoice. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.